Hello, everyone, and welcome back to U.S. Weather Alert. I'm your host, and here's your detailed nationwide weather forecast for tonight and tomorrow. A significant weather pattern will continue to affect much of the United States over the next 24 hours. Millions of Americans will face the threat of severe thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, flash flooding, damaging wind gusts, while another large portion of the country continues to deal with dangerous and persistent summer heat. Let's begin with tonight's forecast. A powerful disturbance moving across the northern United States will trigger clusters of severe thunderstorms from the upper Midwest into the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and eventually the Northeast. Cities including Minneapolis, St. Paul, Milwaukee, Madison, Chicago, Rockford, Detroit, Toledo, Cleveland, Columbus, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, Albany, New York City, Newark, Philadelphia, Hartford, Providence, and Boston could experience multiple rounds of thunderstorms through the evening and overnight hours. Some of these storms may become severe, producing damaging wind gusts between 60 and 75 miles per hour, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, torrential rainfall, isolated large hail, and localized flash flooding. Urban areas, highways, and low-lying neighborhoods could quickly experience water accumulation where the heaviest rain develops. Across the mid-Atlantic, including Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Richmond, and Northern Virginia, scattered thunderstorms will continue into the evening before gradually weakening overnight. Farther south, from the Carolinas through Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and northern Florida, scattered thunderstorms will develop during the evening with brief heavy rain, gusty winds, and dangerous lightning. Meanwhile, the southern plains remain under an intense heat dome. Cities including Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, San Antonio, Houston, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Little Rock, Shreveport, Baton Rouge, and New Orleans will stay extremely warm overnight, with temperatures remaining well above normal even after sunset. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's forecast. The storm system will push farther east during the day, bringing another active round of thunderstorms across the Ohio Valley, Mid-Atlantic, Great Lakes, and Northeast. Heavy rain is expected from Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Several locations could receive 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, with isolated higher amounts where thunderstorms repeatedly move across the same communities. This could significantly increase the risk of flash flooding, especially in cities, small streams, and poor drainage areas. The Storm Prediction Center also highlights the potential for damaging straight-line winds and isolated tornadoes in a few stronger thunderstorms across parts of the Midwest and Northeast. Across the Central Plains, including Kansas, Nebraska, Missouri, and Iowa, scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms are expected, with locally heavy rainfall and gusty winds. The Deep South and Gulf Coast will continue to experience dangerous heat. Afternoon temperatures will climb into the upper 90s to near 100 degrees Fahrenheit, while humidity will push the heat index between 105 and 115 degrees, creating dangerous conditions for anyone spending extended time outdoors. Residents are encouraged to stay hydrated, avoid strenuous outdoor activities during the hottest part of the day, and never leave children or pets inside parked vehicles. Across the Southwest, including Arizona, southern Nevada, New Mexico, and inland California, extremely hot and dry weather will continue. Cities such as Phoenix, Las Vegas, Palm Springs, Tucson, and Yuma could once again reach well above 105 degrees, with a few desert locations approaching 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Along the West Coast, coastal California, Oregon, and Washington will enjoy relatively cooler temperatures, with areas of morning fog followed by sunshine during the afternoon. However, inland portions of California and the Pacific Northwest will remain warm and dry, maintaining elevated wildfire conditions. Finally, in Alaska, scattered showers are expected across the southern coastline, while much of the interior remains mild. Hawaii will see typical tropical weather with passing showers, especially along windward coasts, and plenty of sunshine elsewhere. Before we wrap up, here's a quick summary. Tonight, severe thunderstorms from the upper Midwest through the Great Lakes into the Northeast, with damaging winds, heavy rain, hail, and flash flooding possible. Tomorrow, another round of storms shifts eastward, bringing additional flooding concerns to the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, while dangerous heat continues across the Southern Plains, Gulf Coast, and Southwest. If you live in an area under a severe thunderstorm watch, flash flood warning, tornado watch, or extreme heat warning, Continue to monitor local forecasts and be prepared to act quickly if warnings are issued. Thank you for watching U.S. Weather Alert. If you found this forecast helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest weather updates. Have a safe day, and we'll see you in the next forecast.